Hare Krishna. How to heal from heartbreak. Energy exchange is the only way to heal from heartbreak. Because sometimes we are deeply connected with someone, and that's why our energies are connected with them. That's why we struggle to overcome heartbreak or breakups. Just like when we visit a temple, our energy becomes a bit more positive and we feel good. In the similar way, the more we visit temples, attend satsangs, and connect with spirituality, our lower energies will gradually start changing and becoming positive. And the positivity we feel comes from our lower energies being aligned with God, which is energy exchange with God. If we look at the successful people today, many of them will tell us they reached where they are because of the heartbreak they went through and how it led them to discover spirituality and their true self, and how spirituality helped them to recognize their true authentic soul self. During such times, our energy tends to be very low. That's why our negative energies like jealousy, sorrow, and negative thoughts are active. This is why many people struggle with negative thinking. However, by cleansing our energy through God, satsang, or engaging in our favorite creative activities, we can overcome it. By spending some time in nature, cleansing our energy, watching a few motivational videos, and connecting our energy with God or divine, our negative energy gradually begins to turn positive. In such situations, our ego continuously prevents us from stepping into a positive mindset, overshadowing our authentic self. It makes us feel isolated, unloved, and as if the world is against us. So, just trust the process and believe in God, and remember, He has the perfect and best plan for us.